Hey guys, good morning. This is me, Naveen, and welcome to the vlog again. As you can see, I'm at the Chembur Monorail station and I'm taking a ride from Chembur all the way to Jacob Circle. Initially, the track would be from Chembur to Wadala, but now it's got an extension right up to Sant Rasta that's very close to Mahalakshmi. The extension has now made the monorail track complete a distance of 19.4 kilometers. So it's totally great and it takes about 14 minutes, they say. I didn't record anything coming towards the station for security purposes, but it's very much like a airport security check, which is pretty good. Well, this is the ticket. It cost me 40 bucks. So wherever you halt or get down, you need to take another ticket. So I'm about to get down at the last stop and then head back. Train is about to come anytime now. I'm gonna catch you guys on the ride. Okay, it's about to come. It's about to come. Currently, there are a few hiccups along the ride. Sometimes the train moves painfully slow and there are a lot of halts in between, including some delays at the station itself. Right now, the log ज़्यादा monorail use नहीं कर रहे हैं, and that's primarily because of these hiccups and because of the frequency of trains, that is one train every 22 minutes. But I guess these are early hiccups and soon will be sorted out and people can actually make real good use of it. We have reached the last stop of the monorail here at the Sant Gadke Maharaj station. I'm gonna quickly go outside and check some surrounding places. Then हम यही train वापस लेंगे चेंबूर को. अभी वीडियो बंद मत करना. Follow me along. Okay, I've just got down at the Gadke Maharaj Chowk monorail station and I'm heading my way out. And this place is commonly known as the Sant Rasta or the Jacob Circle. And it's about 5 minutes from the Mahalakshmi station. And यहाँ पर मुझे एक बहुत cool सा place मिला है. I'm sure you guys know about this, but let me show you. As you can see, I am at Mumbai's iconic Dhobi Ghat. आपने बहुत सारे movies में भी इस जगह को देखा होगा, like Munna Bhai and all. Some of the scenes were shot over here. You can also go inside, but आपको permission लेना होगा. यहाँ there is some BMC office over here. So what I'm hearing is like a lot of clothes from hotels, hospitals, their linen, their bed sheets. They all come over here for washing. And as you can see, this place has kind of become like a spot to see where a lot of tourist buses stop by and people come here to check out the place. I'm going to take the bus. Okay, so I'm taking the bus from here to Haji Ali just for the fun of it. Thank you. So a 10 minutes ride either by bus or by cab from the last monorail station gets you to this seafront at Mahalakshmi and Haji Ali. I'm just going to spend some time here and then grab a bite to eat or a juice maybe before I head back to Chembur in the monorail. I really love making these vlogs, and if you guys like watching them, go in the comment section, write to me what you guys think. आपको कैसा लग रहा है मेरा vlogs? अच्छा लग रहा है या कैसा लग रहा है? Even if it's critical comments, I really welcome them because it only helps me improve. So go write to me in the comments. I'm about to head back to Jacob Circle to catch the monorail for the ride back home. Okay, so I'm back on the monorail now, heading back to Chembur, and it's been a fantastic ride. I hope you liked it as well. I'm going to leave you with more scenes from the monorail. I hope you enjoy it. This is me, Naveen, signing out. I'll catch you guys in the next one.